Class 7th, Chapter 1, Integers. In this session, we are going to learn how to divide integers. So, we are going to learn about division of integers. So, let's begin. Division of integers. So, first of all, I am taking an example of positive and a negative integer. So here minus 12 is a negative integer and 6 is a positive integer, and after dividing we get minus 2. Now I am interchanging their signs. So now I am dividing 12 by minus 6. Again I am getting minus 2 as my result. So from first two examples we see that in both the cases we are going to get minus 2 as a result, which can be easily obtained by dividing 12 by 6. So 12 divided by 6 equals to 2, and then we just put the negative sign here. Similarly, in the second one we just divide 12 by 6. So 12 divided by 6 equals to 2, and then we just put this negative sign here. So just like multiplication, here we are dividing these numbers as a whole number, and then we are just putting the minus sign with the result. So from the above two examples we get that when we divide a positive integer and a negative integer, we divide them as a whole numbers. So we just divide 12 by 6. So we are dividing them as a whole number, and then we just put a minus sign before the question. So we are just putting this minus sign before 2. So in this case we are going to get a negative number. So whenever we are dividing a positive number by a negative number or a negative integer by a positive integer, then the result which we obtained is a negative integer. Now let's see how do you divide integers with same sign. So the first example is about division of a positive integer by another positive integer. So the first positive integer is 12, the second one is 6, and we are dividing 12 by 6. You have already done this division, and after dividing 12 by 6 we get 2. Now in the second one I am going to divide a negative integer by another negative integer. So after dividing minus 12 by minus 6 we get the answer as 2, which is a positive integer. In the first one we are dividing a positive integer by another positive integer, and the result is a positive integer. In the second one we are dividing a negative integer by another negative integer, and the result is again a positive integer. So from these two examples we get that when we are going to divide integers with same sign, then we first divide them as a whole number. So we just divide 12 by 6 and the answer is 2, and then we just put the plus sign before the question. So we just put the plus sign before 2. So in this way, after dividing positive integer by positive integer and negative integer by negative integer, the result which we get is always a positive integer. So in this way we can divide integers.